Ironworker machine. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. Ironworker machine. The Ironworker machine is a sheet metal processing machine that can perform various tasks such as cutting, bending, punching, slotting, etc. on metal sheets. It is equipped with punches of different shapes and can be used to cut bars, rods, angles, and channels. In addition to cutting, the Ironworker can also be utilized for notching, bending, punching, and forming tubes, bars, and steels. Components of Ironworker machine. Benefits of Ironworker machine. Ironworker has a reasonable structure, is lightweight, low noise, reliable, and has overload performance. They are simple in operation. Used to cut large amounts of metal in factories. Due to their multi-purpose functioning, Ironworkers are cost-effective. The setup of this machine is easy and quick. It is applied to notch steel and iron. Application of Ironworker machine. 1. Punching. 2. Plate shearing. 3. Angle shearing. 4. Bar shearing. 5. Notching. Function of Ironworker machine. Processing of steel structure. Used in the food industry as slaughtering equipment and for processing parts. Processing of iron tower parts in low and high voltage. Used to mix plant and process on belt conveyors in the construction machinery industry. Processing of elevator car and its parts. Railway freight car and crane parts processing. Used as wind power generation equipment, for example, processing the pedals on wind-influence tower. Used in animal husbandry and agricultural machinery industry, i.e., processing trailer body parts. Used in building conveyor support and other building connection parts. Used to cut, punch and bend steels, i.e., round steel, channel steel, H steel, square steel, and I-beam. Trailer, spare tire parts, wall plates, hinges, hooks, and inserts. Used widely as grain machinery, starch equipment support, and shell processing. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.